Hello dear students, how are you? I'm Ms. Dunya at Desan Private School. Today we have Mathematics, Chapter 3, Lesson 3 at page 39. Now our lesson is about add tens and ones. So how can you add tens and ones together? Now we have an example here. Here we have 12 plus 19. So at first we have to add which one is tens and which number is ones. Okay, here the one is tens. We write T for tens and we write O for ones. Number 2 is ones, and here the first number is tens and the second number is ones. Now we put the numbers in this house. I made this house, and that's one side with different rooms, and that's 10 side with different rooms. Here, the first and second room, they are for the numbers, and these two rooms, that's for the total, okay? Now, how many ones we have? 2. We make 2 squares, and how many tens do we have? 1 tens. We add 1 ten. And 19, how many ones we have here in the second room? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many tens do we have? We have 1 tens. Okay? And don't forget that's addition. So we start the addition, okay? 2 plus 9 equals what? 9. We put 9 in our mind and count to 9, 10, 11. Now the total is what? The total is more than 9, okay? Can you write 11 like this? No, because we cannot write 2 numbers in one room, okay? So we have to erase it. So we do what? We regroup, okay? And that's 2 here. We regroup 2 here, and we take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We regroup them, okay? We move this 10 to 10 side, okay? Because we cannot write tens in one side, okay? So how many ones here? How many ones stays? 1. We write number 1, and the 10 will go to here, okay? The 10 will go to here. We add 1 more 10, okay? That would be erased. Now, how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, okay? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. How many tens do we have here? 3 tens. And how many ones we have? 1. So the total is what? 31. Now here we have another examples. I represent these 2 numbers, and we add, are there 10 or more ones? Yes or not? And here I write how many tens and ones, okay, like this. So we start from number 1, 13 plus 14. We make a house like this, or you can just make 10 side and 1 side. We put the numbers again. That's tens, and that one is 1, 3. 14, number 1 is tens. Number 4 is ones. Number 1 is tens, and number 4 is 1. So we add the number into these two columns plus and 14. One is 4 tens and 4. Look. Now let us start the addition. 3 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write 7. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, are there 10 or more ones? No, because we didn't do regroup, okay? And I write how many tens and ones. How many tens and ones we have? We have 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay? Now we have another example. $30 plus 17, okay? That's 10 side, and that one is one side. 13 plus 17, 13 plus 17, the same thing. You can, that's just for your help, if you want to mark that, okay? Now, how many, now let's do the addition. 3 plus 7, we put 7 in our mind and we count 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Can you write like this? No, that's wrong. So, we just write the ones and the number 1 will go to 10 side, okay? So we do what? We do regroup, okay? So what do we say? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So, are there 10 or more ones, more than 9? Yes, because we do regroup, okay? We say yes. And how many tens and ones do we have? 3 tens and 0 ones. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.